Want to know how to instantly boost your brand's trustworthiness on WhatsApp? Let's get you that coveted green tick. First, you need a Wati account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Wati and sign up once you're in. Make sure you meet WhatsApp's eligibility criteria. This includes having a verified Facebook Business Manager account, enabling two-step verification for your WhatsApp business account, and achieving a significant level of recognition for your brand. Navigate to your Facebook Business Manager and verify your business. This involves providing accurate business details and completing the verification process outlined by Facebook. This is a crucial step. WhatsApp will not consider your application without it. Open your WhatsApp business app on your phone, go to Settings, then Account, and finally, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and is mandatory for green tick verification. Now, back in your Wati dashboard, look for the WhatsApp API or green tick application section. The exact wording may vary depending on updates to the Wati interface. Here, you'll find the application form. Fill it out completely and honestly. You'll need to provide details about your business, your website, and most importantly, a clear explanation of why you need a green tick and how it will benefit your customers. Include links to news articles, press releases, or other online mentions that demonstrate your brand's prominence. Once you've submitted the form, Wati will review your application and forward it to WhatsApp. The review process can take some time, so be patient. You'll receive updates through Wati regarding the status of your application, and that's it. With a little preparation and this guide, you'll be one step closer to enhancing your brand's credibility with that green tick.